afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. This is Aisha Jamila Kadabangra. I'm the Shabby and Shaz Creations, and welcome to Shaz Creations. We're so happy to have you on board our family. Yes, we say family because if you use our products, believe in them, then you're part of our family, the Shaz Creations family. We have a WhatsApp group. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, just go on one of my pages. The link is there. You can join the WhatsApp group and you can get discounts by just being part of the WhatsApp group, and we can learn to educate each other there, share our stories and our progresses. Now, you have decided to buy the Raise Bump Whitehead Hair Bump package. This is a beautiful package. It's right on the website, Shaz Creations. You can see that right here, Shaz Creations product Raise Bump Whiteheads, and it'll be right on the skin correctional products, and you can just come down 3 notches and it's right there. Now I'm just going to enlarge on this package so you can really see the package at a full glance. So what you're going to get, oh my god, I just realized that paper's torn out. You guys got to forgive us. We are a family oriented, you know, we're not a big company, but my camera guy got to do something better about that. Anyway, the product still works. So this is the 3 soaps you're going to get, and a collagen serum and an EGF serum. So this package is very important for you to know how to use it. I encourage you to go watch the video on the YouTube channel on how to take a bath. It is very essential that you know how to take a bath, and these soaps can be used anywhere on your body. The serums are just for where you got the raised bumps and the whiteheads and the razor bumps. Okay, now you want to start with any one of these soaps, but the key elements to the soaps is we do soap rotations as Shaz Creations. We believe in soap rotation. Your skin turns over 4 to 10 days, so you want to use any other soap for 4 to 10 days. So let's say you decide to go with the lemon soap, my soap, and you're going to use that for 4 to 10 days. Then you're going to rotate to the Shaz Skin Secret 4 to 10 days, the Kojic 4 to 10 days, then you're going to come back and do the rotation all over again. Make sense? After you finish bathing, you're going to want to make sure that you dry your skin, and then you're going to use the anti-aging, remove red blood cells, reduce wrinkle, make skin softer collagen serum. Now, the collagen serum is very important because it really helps to revitalize your skin. So you're going to rub that, a couple of drops is plenty, just around the areas that you have the issues, and then you're going to put whatever lotion or cream that you normally will use, and don't forget to use the sunscreen. And then at night, you're going to replace the collagen with the EGF serum, the epidermis growth factor serum, which actually repairs the skin. It's good for anti-wrinkle, it's good to remove the scars and to heal your skin from all that razor bumps. I'm going to recommend that if you did not get the Warm Waters Victorian, you go back to the site and buy the Warm Waters Victorian soap, because it really helps to detox and dry up all those whiteheads and hair bumps that you have. It really works miracles. You need to go get the Warm Waters Victorian soap. It's right on the website. I'm just going to go ahead and show you what that soap looks like. So when you come to the website, you're going to come under premium soaps. It's a therapeutic soap, so you want to click on the therapeutic soaps, and as you click there, you're going to see a whole bunch of therapeutic soap, but this is the soap that you're interested in, the Warm Waters Victorian. Let me just highlight that soap for a minute. That's the soap. So you need to get the Warm Waters Victorian soap because it really helps with detoxing and exfoliating and drying up the bumps. From the depth of my soul, I thank you all for watching. If you're trying to get in contact with me, my phone number is 401-481-6529. It's on the website right there. All the numbers are there, and you can actually, as you're watching this on my YouTube channel, on my social media network, my numbers are posted in my in the bio. I thank you very much for watching. From the depth of our soul, we thank you for being here with us. I appreciate each and every one of you. Assalamu alaikum. Peace.